because nothing says My Little Pony like a lot of glitter. Hi peeps, Jellybaby here, and it has been a while. A big while. Like, a huge while. But hey ho. This is going to be fun to get used to again. I haven't filmed for so long, I've forgotten how to. Right, as you've read by the title, would it be that way or that way? I can't remember. I don't know if it'll flip. Either way, as it says by the title down there, we are doing a rainbow dash and makeup look today. I don't know how well this is going to go because I have a plan. I have a little sketch. But I really need orange eyeliner for this, or like an orange lip liner maybe would have done. So we're going to see where we get to. First thing, I'm going to put some lip balm on because I've got the quarantine bodies and I can't stop picking my lips like an imbecile. And I'm going to prime with my Revolution Skincare primer. I think, yeah, it's a blemish and pore refining serum. It's been a while since I last wore makeup. I've worn makeup once since quarantine. And quarantine has been a thing in England, at least, since, I want to say like March 20th. I've worn makeup once, and that was because like 3 weeks ago I tried to film and my phone deleted it all. That was not fun, so it put me off again. But I was like, I enjoy filming and I've got lots of spare time because I'm not at uni at the moment, so I might as well. That's the other thing that's different from the last time I filmed. I actually started and finished my first year of uni. Oh my god, round of applause for me. I've got some amazing university friends which have been very supportive. If you're watching this, hello. It's been a good year, all in all. Right, because I'm not actually going anywhere, I just wanted to put makeup on for the laugh. I'm just gonna put concealer on because I just want to cover up all these spots more than anything. And so I'm taking that Conceal and Hydrate by Revolution. Help if I hold it out the right way. I've got shade C1. I can't remember if this one dries fast or not. Let's hope not. I'm also going to put a little concealer on my eyelids just for a base. I don't think I actually have any eyeshadow primer anymore. I'm just going to use the Stay Matte Revlon Rimmel Stay Matte Rimmel in transparency. Right, for the first step of the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Revolution palette and I'm going to take this blue colour. Using a little fluffy eyeshadow. I'm going to put this on the outside of my eyelid. Try and build it up because I feel like it might need building up. And just using another brush, I'm gonna blend it out. Right, I'm just taking the NYX Ultimate palette and like this blue, and I'm just gonna use that in my crease for definition more than anything. Now we play, how do we get an orange eyeliner without having an orange eyeliner? Is that an orange? Yeah, you know what, I think that will be alright. So I've literally just mixed white eyeliner, like this Milk by NYX. I mixed that with this orange here. And the two oranges from the Soph's palette. Let's see how we do. Well, the wing's on, but it's not looking very orange. I wonder if we set it with like orange, it will help it. Not the worst, it's a bit patchy, I'm not gonna lie. But it could be worse. Put the red down, I'll use that to sharpen everything up. Right, red time. For the red, I'm just going to use red lipstick. Lipstick I'm using is a Revolution one. I don't actually know if these have special names, because it doesn't even have a label. So, oh wait, Nostalgia, that's what it's called. There's a little label here. Just taking 21 and I'm going to set it with that. It's not the sharpest line, so we might have to clear that up with some concealer. Just going to go back with my concealer and try and sharpen it up. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this MUA Sparkles palette, take this like white shade. I'm just going to pat this into the corner here, like the inner corner, because nothing says My Little Pony like a lot of glitter. And then I'm going to just set it with the Infinity from the Zoe's palette. Now to do the other eye. I'm just going to speed through this for you guys, so probably just see the other side, I guess. Now our eyes match. I'm not like super into it, but I feel like if you had decent eyeliners, this would look kind of cool, you know? So we're working on what we got, but I'm not mad at it. Next thing to do, what did I use to do this stuff in? This is what happens when you don't do makeup for like 2.5 months. You just forget how to do everything, and you're sat there like, what did I do stuff in? And so just curling my eyelashes. I'm going to use this mascara. It's a Scandalous Wow Wings by Rimmel. It's one that Rosie gave me. Thanks, Rosie. That's the eyes done. Next thing I'm going to do is blush, and I'm going to put this one on. I just wanted a really loud one, and I think this is, oh, it's just got everywhere. Whoops. Yeah, I think this is one of the darkest ones I got, and I want a really like, you know, like just been punched in the face look. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use my Unicorn Heart highlighter, but I'm just going to use the blue bit. Like just the blue stripe. Oh, it's the wrong blue really, but too late to back down now. Lastly, for lipstick, I'm going to use a little bit of my red lipstick that I used earlier, but I'm just going to use like, you know, like a bitten lip. So this might not look so great on my lips right now because they are quite literally bitten. I'm just going to add some to the centre and then pat it out. And last but not least, gloss. This is just the Plumping Lip Gloss by Revolution, and it's in the shade Glaze. And we're done. But it's not too bad. So maybe in the future we'll recreate this. Is it for me today. And hit the subscribe button if you haven't. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, to get back to filming regularly. And I want to do other stuff than just makeup, because I do other stuff than just makeup. I really hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye!